today I will teach you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Okay, so the first thing you should know is that the Rubik's Cube has 6 faces: green, red, blue, orange, white, and yellow. Now the first step to solving a Rubik's Cube is that you're supposed to make a cross. A cross. Now you have a cross. Now what you need to figure out next is the corners. Like this, you got the corners correct and you figured out the first layer. The next thing you should do is the second layer, which is this. Okay, I'll teach you the algorithm for transferring here to here. Make sure the blue is up here because you don't want it to be a different color, or else when it goes here it's a different color. The algorithm here is away, up, back, down, and then make the white here, make the white go down, transfer this back, and put this back here. See? Very simple. Now make sure you're supposed to be looking for the ones that don't have the corner with the white. I mean yellow. Second layer is complete and the white is still here. So now what you're supposed to be doing is making a cross in the yellow. How to do that? There's the algorithm. Make sure you're facing the straight. You're not supposed to be facing it like that. You're supposed to be facing it like this. So you do the algorithm here is like this. See this way? See it like that. You're supposed to see the white here. Move it here. Move it up here. Move it back, move it down, and then move this one down. Now, if you see an inverted L, you do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, if you see a cross, that means you figured it out. Now, what you're supposed to be doing is looking for example, like this. If you see one like this, that is correct and it's beside to each other, and you see this one and this one aren't right, then you go to the one that's beside the one on the right, and you do this 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, then 1, 2, and down, and then turn it like this. Now that they're all complete, what you're supposed to be doing now is looking for the right corners. If this is wrong because it's blue, yellow, and orange. It's supposed to be blue, It's supposed to be green, orange, and yellow. So it's wrong. This one is also wrong. This one is correct. So if you see one that's correct, you do this algorithm. Beside the one that's wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That was weird. Okay, now that these two are complete and these corners are correct, the algorithm here is very simple. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, then 4. Now, you do here, if you see another wrong corner, you just move it to the original corner that you used to make the 1, 2, 3, 4. So you do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And once you see it here, that means you've already done it. So 1, 2, 3, and now you solved it. 4. That's how you solve a Rubik's Cube. See? I don't know if you listened, but if you learned something from our video, please leave a like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can be notified each time we make a new video. Bye!